On today's video, I'm going to show you my hair wash routine for the days that I clarify my hair. The reason that it's important to clarify your hair is that it removes any buildup that has happened over time. Your regular shampoo doesn't necessarily get every single thing off. This is especially important if you use a sulfate-free shampoo that's more on the gentle side. You're even more likely to have buildup on your hair. That buildup can be from your own oils, and it can also be from products. And if you have fine hair, you're probably putting in heat protectants, you're probably putting leave-in conditioners to make your hair smoother, and you're probably putting in volumizing products. Especially if you've been following my channel for a while, you probably use a lot of volumizing products. One of the biggest culprits of buildup is the powdered volumizing products. So with that said, let's get into how I clarify my hair. I usually wash my hair this way about once a month. That's because I usually only wash my hair maybe twice a week. If you wash your hair every day or every other day, you're probably going to need to clarify a little bit more often. It's just sort of, I do it probably about every 4th to 5th time that I wash my hair.
Every time I wash my hair, I start by rinsing it thoroughly, not just to get it wet, but to get out as much product before I even start shampooing as possible. If you are rinsing over a tub like I am, you'll actually be able to see how cloudy the water is that's rinsing out of your hair. So I will rinse for quite a while, really scrubbing to my scalp, moving my hair around, almost like I'm shampooing, but just with water to just get as much buildup and debris and dirt and product and oil up out of my scalp, moving around, and it's going to help your hair clean so much better. So for my first shampoo, I'm just going to use my regular shampoo. So I'm using the Wella Ultimate Repair shampoo and the conditioner, but whatever shampoo you're using on a regular basis is the one you want to use first. I'm going to shampoo twice because this first shampoo, you're going to see it's not going to get a lot of suds because my hair is quite dirty. So the first shampoo is going to get my hair a bit more clean so that the clarifying shampoo can do more of stripping any buildup and not have to work so hard at removing any of that day-to-day dirt that is in my hair right now after not being washed for 3 days. So I focus my shampoo mostly on my scalp, making sure that I get through the entire perimeter. I don't scrub my ends. I just sort of wring the shampoo down my ends once or twice, but your ends aren't really that dirty. And the shampoo that runs down your hair is going to do a good enough job cleaning those ends with your regular shampoo. Then I just rinse that out very well. And once it is completely rinsed out, then I'm going to go in for my second shampoo. And this time I'm going to use the clarifying shampoo. The clarifying shampoo that I like is the Malibu C Undo Goo. It's actually a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo. It's very gentle, but still really effective at clarifying your hair. Your hair will feel literally squeaky clean once you're done using it. And this shampoo, I'm going to use a little differently. So I'm still going to rub it all into my scalp and really work that shampoo into my roots and the scalp of my actual scalp, like the actual skin. But I'm also going to exfoliate it down the hair shaft, literally taking sections of the hair and running my hands down the hair shaft to remove any buildup of product and whatnot that is actually on the strands of hair, not just at my roots. And clarifying shampoos are meant to feel this way. Your hair might feel a bit more dry after this process. And if you find that's the case, I would add a conditioning treatment, like a mask, as a third step after your regular conditioner. I don't feel like I need to because my hair is quite oily and hydrated. But if your hair does feel dry, that's definitely something that you can do. Then you're just going to go ahead and rinse that out. If you didn't get a lot of suds, you might need to do it twice or do another round with your regular shampoo after. But for the most part, if your hair isn't too dirty, 2 shampoos will probably do the trick. After that, it's completely rinsed and make sure all the shampoo is out before you go in with your conditioner. I am going to go ahead and use my conditioner. You're going to see that when I do my conditioner, and it is the Wella Ultimate Repair conditioner, I am going to mostly just put it on my mids and my ends, but you'll see I do bring it up to my roots at the nape of my neck. Oh, and you can see here, I am wringing the water out of my hair. I don't twist my hair, but I do wring out by squeezing my hair as much water as I can before I condition, just so that the conditioner can kind of work a little better. If the hair's too wet, it's not going to work as well as if you've wrung out some of that excess water. So going back to the conditioner on the mids and ends here, and then I do actually pull it up to my root area at the nape of my neck, just because in that area you do tend to get a bit of tangles, and I find that putting the conditioner there helps to not get tangles as much. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a little look into how I clarify my hair and how I stop my hair from getting buildup from all the products that I like to use. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what your wash routine looks like. I love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all of that good stuff, because you know it helps me grow my channel if you're not already a follower here. And if you are, make sure you've got that notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of my videos, because I do post 3 every single week. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.